Today I have a acer 5 laptop, and this laptop configuration is Core i3 10th gen processor, and this laptop problem is keyboard problem. Keyboard is not working, some of key are not working, and today I will change this keyboard, and this keyboard inbuilt. Okay, this keyboard inside repeated keyboard, and this is hard to change, and today I will show how you can change this easily. Okay, easy way you can change this keyboard. Okay, let's open this. At first we will open the button cover, and here is a sum of screw, and after that I will show how we can do this. Let's open the screw, and you can see this fan is rusted, and I will clean this. At first I will open the battery, disconnect the battery connection. M.2. Let's open it. Keyboard is and this is the keyboard, and under this plate and keyboard is set up. I'll open this. I broken this all repeated, and after that I reset up. Okay, and you can see here is it, and this is the keyboard connection, and this one is the keyboard backlight. And keyboard is open, and you can see this, and this one is our new keyboard, and we purchased from local market, and you can see here, and here is a no backlight option. Okay, when you purchase this and you follow this connection, and here is a backlight option has or not, and we purchased this, but here is no backlight option. Okay, set up the keyboard, and this one is set up. After setup, and you see this, and all keys rise up. Perfectly attached, and you can see this key, all keys rise up, and this is working. Okay, no issue here, and you can see this. Let's set up this, and after that I will show, and it's working or not. Okay, our keyboard installation is complete, and you can see all these keys are rights. Okay, no issue here, and every key is working smoothly. Let's turn on the power, press the power button, and see, and display has come. Okay, computer is turned on. Let's see keyboard is working or not. Open the workpiece, and this is open, and check the keyboard, QRW, and it's working smoothly, no issue here. Okay, QWERTY. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.